is a groundbreaking personal finance book that challenges traditional beliefs about money, wealth, and financial success. The book is structured as a memoir, comparing the financial philosophies of two father figures: the poor dad, Kiyosaki's biological father, who followed a conventional career path but struggled financially, and the rich dad, his best friend's father, who built wealth through smart financial choices. Each chapter presents key financial lessons that encourage readers to think differently about money.
Welcome to Read and Review, where we bring the world of books to life. Whether you're into thrilling mysteries, swoon-worthy romances, or mind-bending fantasies, we've got something for everyone. Join our lively discussions, dive into insightful reviews, and become part of our bookish community. Subscribe now and never miss out on your next literary adventure. Read and Review, unlocking stories one book at a time.
The book begins with the idea that the rich don't work for money. Kiyosaki emphasizes that the poor and middle class work for salaries, while the rich focus on making money work for them. He encourages readers to shift their mindset from job dependency to wealth creation through assets. In the second chapter, Why Teach Financial Literacy? He stresses that true financial success comes from understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Many people mistakenly believe that their house is an asset, but Kiyosaki clarifies that assets generate income while liabilities drain money. By investing in real estate, stocks, and businesses, individuals can secure long-term financial growth. In the second chapter, Why Teach Financial Literacy? He stresses that true financial success comes from understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Many people mistakenly believe that their house is an asset, but Kiyosaki clarifies that assets generate income while liabilities drain money. By investing in real estate, stocks, and businesses, individuals can secure long-term financial growth. The third chapter, Mind Your Own Business, encourages people to build personal wealth outside of their primary job. Kiyosaki explains that most people work for others their entire lives without creating independent sources of income. He advises readers to start side businesses, invest wisely, and develop multiple income streams. One of the most eye-opening sections, The History of Taxes and the Power of Corporations, reveals how the wealthy minimize taxes legally through corporations and smart financial strategies. Unlike salaried employees, who pay taxes before using their income, the rich utilize business structures to reinvest and protect their earnings. Kiyosaki further explains in The Rich Invent Money that financial opportunities are not handed out, they are created. He urges readers to develop financial intelligence, take calculated risks, and explore investment options instead of relying on job security. Those who understand money deeply will always find ways to generate wealth. In Work to Learn, Don't Work for Money, Kiyosaki highlights the importance of acquiring skills that increase earning potential. He argues that financial success is not about chasing high salaries, but about learning sales, investing, and entrepreneurial skills. This mindset shift empowers individuals to break free from financial dependence. The book also explores the psychological barriers to wealth in the chapter Overcoming Obstacles. Fear, laziness, bad habits, arrogance, and self-doubt often prevent people from achieving financial success. Kiyosaki urges readers to confront these obstacles, take action, and continuously educate themselves about money. Toward the end, Getting Started provides practical advice on how to begin the journey to financial independence. Setting goals, finding mentors, and committing to lifelong learning are essential steps. Finally, the last chapter, Still Want More? Here are some to-dos, serves as a call to action, encouraging readers to apply the book's lessons consistently. Despite its limitations, the book's core message is powerful. Financial education is the key to wealth. By focusing on assets, making money work for you, and continuously learning, anyone can achieve financial independence. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an aspiring entrepreneur, Rich Dad, Poor Dad offers timeless lessons that can transform the way you think about money.